In this video, we will cover how to set screw bottom within the RJG CoPilot software. What is setting screw bottom, and why do we set it? Setting screw bottom is when the screw of the injection molding machine is moved to its most forward position. We set screw bottom because it sets a 0 point for the machine in CoPilot, and it allows for monitoring of variables, such as cushion size. To begin setting the screw bottom from the main CoPilot setup screen, you may need to scroll down a bit to see the card for screw bottom. Select the screw bottom card to continue. On the Set Screw Bottom page, there is a reminder to bottom the screw on the machine. Once that is complete, we can select the Set Screw Bottom button. The Set Screw Bottom button will change to green, and we can now select the Done button to confirm. Back at the main CoPilot setup screen, we can now see that the screw bottom card has a green border and a green check mark, indicating that the setup was successful. With all of the required setup cards having green check marks, we are ready to start the job. Thank you for watching this video regarding setting screw bottom within the CoPilot software. For further assistance, please refer to the product manual or contact our customer support department at support@rjginc.com or by calling 1-800-472-0566.